Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have a brand new collection today from Colourpop and it is literally so adorable. Today we're going to be playing around with the new Colourpop and Muppets collection. This is a holiday collection and I think the packaging and everything is so cute and everything in here was honestly a pleasant surprise. So yeah, I'm excited to share this collection with you. I'm like ecstatic about it. It is so cute. So this collection is launching on November 17th at 10 a.m. PST. That is this Thursday. As always, you guys can use my code. It is just KATRINA and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. We're doing swatches, a tutorial, a review. You guys know the drill. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. The first thing that we have in the collection is a 16 pan palette. This is what it looks like. This is with the unicorn on it. I wanted to show it with it on because it does go with the packaging. So you have like the palette right here, but this is what the unicorn looks like. And it's just like these cute little curtains. And this is what the actual palette looks like. It is a really cute 16 pan palette. It has all of the Muppets right here in the front and it's called Holidays, Holidays, Holidays. Love this. And then when you open it up, so this is what the inside of the palette looks like. And honestly, at first glance, it wasn't anything super crazy. I was like, oh, it looks really pretty. It's really fun. But once I started to play around with it, I was so pleasantly surprised. Very, very delighted. This palette has a mixture of some neutrals. There is a like limey green, a bright green, an emerald green, some red, some plummy brown, some pinks, some oranges. There is so much in this palette. And again, at first glance, it kind of just looks like, okay, it's fine. It's cute. But it gets so much better like as like you actually look at it and play around with it. Again, I mention this all of the time. I want Colourpop to work on their like photos. I don't know. Like every time they post pictures on Instagram, the palette never looks as good as it does in real life. Like in real life, this is such a pretty palette. So this is the palette, 16 pans, and yeah. Next thing that we have in the collection are 4 glowing lip products. So we have these 4 right here, and the really cute unicorn kind of goes along with the actual packaging of the palette. So we have 4 shades. We have Kissy Kissy, Warm Up Guy, Chill 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 Chill, and Picture of Joy. Kissy Kissy is like a really cute like pink shade. Warm Up Guy is a beautiful brownie nude. Chill 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 is a really pretty red, and then Picture of Joy is just like a really pretty peachy orangey shade. So those are the 4 glowing lips. If you haven't tried these before, these are an ultra nourishing formula that delivers a glossy pop of color, a fuller looking pout, and each shade looks just like Fozzie, Miss Piggy, Animal, and Beaker. It has little designs on here that go with each character like Miss Piggy, Fozzie, and I think they're adorable. So those are the glowing lips. We have 4 Super Shock shadows in here, and I love the packaging of these. It has the different characters all on the boxes, which I love, and the actual character is on the packaging of the Super Shock shadows itself. Miss Piggy's is called Holiday Hostess, and this is a really pretty pink. Then we have Animal, and this one is called Beats Drum, and this is a really pretty sparkly red. We have Fozzie, and this one is Waka Waka, and it's a really pretty bronzy gold shade. And then lastly, we have Kermit. I love this one so much, and it's a really beautiful green with some gold shimmer throughout it, and this one is called Yay. So I think these are so cute. You can never go wrong with Super Shocks. I love when they do fun Super Shocks for the collections. And then the last thing that we have in this collection is a Glitterally Obsessed with Miss Piggy on the front. It is so cute. This one is called It's Moi, and this on the actual packaging itself, it has Miss Piggy in a little wreath. She looks great. She looks stunning. And then the actual packaging of the Glitterally Obsessed itself has Miss Piggy on the cap, says who moi, and I think it's so cute. And then it has this kind of like pearl necklace design all along the actual packaging. And then the actual Glitterally Obsessed itself is a beautiful like shimmery pink with a bunch of like multicolor really chunky glitter throughout it. Also love that the packaging for the Glitterally Obsessed matches her glowing lip with the little pearl necklace kind of all over it. So that is the Glitterally Obsessed. I do have some prices. I'd never like to say them in the video because I feel like sometimes they could change by the time they finally release. So I'll put the prices down below in the description box. That way if anything changes, I could edit it and update you guys on that. So anyways, that is everything in the collection. Like I said, it's launching on Thursday at 10 a.m. PST. I'll link everything down below for you guys once it is available. This is the look that I came up with right here using the collection. I love this look so much. Spoiler alert, but I am truly obsessed with this eyeshadow look. I think this might be one of my favorites I've done in a very long time. But yeah, so this is the look that I came up with today. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on this collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the palette. I actually do have a look in mind today. I feel like lately I've been going in and not knowing what I'm gonna do, but I do have a look in mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the shade Frazzled. It's this shade right here. It does have a little bit of sparkle in it, so I do like to tap off a little bit on the back of my hand to kind of get rid of that glitter in it. And I'm just going to pack this on in the crease. I know I just did a green look with the Kylie Cosmetics collection, but how can I not use the greens in here? They're beautiful. This is a stunning shade. I love this color, like yellowy green. So my eyes are already primed. I'm using the About Face eyeshadow primer. I use it all the time. I like to mention that because I do feel like it does make a huge difference. I feel like it makes like these lighter shades like this really pop a lot. So I just wanted to mention that really quick. Okay, so once I have that shade down, I go into Being Green, this shade right here. Beautiful green shade again. And I'm just going to in with the same brush, and I'm just going to start putting this again. Ooh, this is so pigmented. Outer corner and then into the crease. I love this green. It is so vibrant. I feel like it looks more vibrant on the eye than it does in the pan. So very happy with this shade. It is so cute. It's like the perfect Kermit green. This is like the prettiest green ever. I am obsessed with this color. It is stunning. I'm so happy about it. I love this shade of green too. So it's very, very pretty. They got that Kermit green down. This is the exact color of Kermit. When I like see a green, I'm like, oh, it's Kermit green. No, this is Kermit green. Always forget that I can't wear this ring when I film because it makes so much noise. It's like a little anxiety ring. And it makes so much noise when I'm blending my eyeshadow. So we have that shade down. I'm gonna go into Winter Wear. It's this deep, beautiful blue shade. And I'm gonna put this in the outer corner and into the like outer crease a little bit, kind of doing like a little outer V moment. So starting right here and just kind of doing that shape. Again, super, super pigmented. Love this. Taking that a little bit along the outer half of the lash line right here and just creating a little V. Go back with this fluffy brush to just blend that all together. And then I'm going back with Winter Wear again just to kind of re-intensify this. Kind of just keeping this shape right here and just kind of taking this along. I took it a little bit more along the lash line and then just in this outer V. I took it a little bit further in to the crease as well. So you kind of just want this shape right here. This one I kind of got a little messy with, but this one turned out good. So now I'm gonna go into the shade Festive. It's this shade right here. It's like a sparkly green. I think this is like a pressed glitter. I was gonna go into the Super Shock shadow, which is Yay. This is like the Kermit one, but I think I like the green in the palette more, but this one, she's stunning. But it has like a more of a gold kind of shimmer, like shift to it. But this one is just like a straight green. So I'm going to take this on the lid. And I'm taking this with a flat brush first. I might go with my finger, but I want to see how it goes on with a brush first. Oh my god. Okay, was not expecting that. That is so... Okay, you know what? We're putting this everywhere. I was going to put something else like on the inner part of the lid, but Jesus, this is beautiful. I think this might be one of, if not the best eyeshadow that Colourpop has ever done. This is not a Super Shock shadow. I think it's like a new, is it like kind of the other pressed glitter? It's a pearlescent glitter, I believe. I think that is the formula of this. I'm not exactly sure. But this is absolutely stunning. I am like in awe of how beautiful this eyeshadow is. I don't even think the camera is doing this color justice at all. Hands down, I truly think this might be the best shadow that Colourpop has ever done. I've tried almost every single Colourpop palette that they've ever come out with, and this I think truly is. I know it's not like a shadow technically, it's like a pressed pearlescent glitter. It kind of feels like how their pressed glitters used to, but not nearly as like jelly, if that makes sense. But I'm like absolutely, I like can't get over how beautiful this eyeshadow is. This makes a palette a must buy. Like I am absolutely in love with this shadow. Oh my god. Like, are you kidding me? It's like liquid almost. Oh my god. And if you don't like glitter, then this might not be for you, but I do. And this is beautiful. Celebrate Moi and Icy Patch are also that same formula. I just swatched Celebrate Moi and it feels similar, and this is beautiful. I will be putting that on my inner corner in a little bit, but this green shade, I need a single. I need more. This at a holiday party, oh wow. Like, again, I don't even think the camera is doing it justice. I'll try to take a video later with my phone because, wow. I'm gonna go do my face really quick and then we'll come back and finish up the lower lash line. Okay, base is done. We're going back to the lower lash line. I don't know what I want. I think I kind of just want to do the same shades on the lower lash line. But yes, we're gonna do that. In Being Green and just putting this on the lower lash line first. She is stunning. I'm obsessed with this color. Also, I think I'm gonna take an eyeliner. I wish there was some eyeliners in this collection, but there are not. Okay, I'm actually going to take a blue eyeliner. This is from About Face. This is the Sad Girl liner. And I'm gonna put this in my waterline to kind of tie in with that blue. I'm gonna go in with Winter Wear, which is the blue. And I'm gonna take this right on the outer corner, kind of just doing what we did on the top to the bottom basically. And I'm also just kind of smudging that liner out as well. Connecting that to this outer edge. I'm actually just taking that kind of along all the lash line, but I'm keeping it pretty close to the waterline. Going back with Being Green just to kind of blend that out. Okay, for the inner corner, I think I'm gonna take the, there's so many shades that I wanna take right now. I do wanna take Celebrate Moi, but I also want to take the Super Shock Shadow, and I also want to take the Glitterally Obsessed. I'm struggling here. They're all pinks. They're all pinks, but which one is the pink that I will be using? I feel like this might be a little too pink for the inner corner, but it's really pretty. So there's that one. And then there's the pink in the palette. Celebrate Moi, which is in the palette. And this is kind of that same formula as, oh my god. No, are you joking? This is going to my inner corner. And I'm putting this on. Oh my god. This formula of shadow is incredible. It's absolutely incredible. And against that green, it kind of picks up on whatever shade it's next to. It has a little bit of that pink in there, but since it's next to the green, it's really pulling out the like green glitter that's in it. No, she's stunning. I don't know if you guys can even, like, I don't know if the camera is doing these shadows justice at all, but they are, this might be one of my favorite eye looks I've done in a long time. It's picking up a little bit more green. I am going to take the Glitterally Obsessed, but I do want a little bit of that pink in here. So I'm just taking a little bit. I'm just going to tap over. I don't even think that's doing anything. It's just a little bit of glitter actually. The Glitterally Obsessed actually added a little bit of something and I really like it. I think we're good on the eyes. I'm gonna put on some lashes really quick and then we'll finish off with the lips. So lashes are on. I love this look so much. So we're gonna go ahead and finish off with the lips. For glowing lip shades, the one I'm gonna take today is the shade Warm Up Guy. It's the Brownie Nude. Since these are like a more like lip tint kind of lip, I'm gonna put on some lip liner. This is BFF2 from Colourpop. I love this lip liner. BFF2 just remains like one of the best lip liners of all time. Okay, so for the lip, I'm gonna go ahead and take Warm Guy, or what is it called? Warm Up Guy, sorry. And again, it's just like the Brownie Nude. Oh, hello. This lip combo might be the new everyday lip combo. This is kind of a serve. Great companion lip product to BFF2. If you're a little bit more of a deeper skin tone, BFF3 with this. Chef's kiss. Wow. That's everything in the collection. Let me dust off this powder and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on everything. So this is the finished look. Wow. Wow. I love it so much. Let me give you guys my final thoughts. Honestly, what a pleasant surprise. I was not expecting to like this collection as much as I did. When I first saw pictures, I was like, oh, it's really pretty. Like the palette looks cute. Just wait for my 2022 yearly favorites. This is going in there. This might be hands down one of my favorite Colourpop palettes that they've released. I literally love this so much. It might just be because I'm a huge fan of green eyeshadow and blues, and there's some pinks in here. This like pearlescent glitter shadow finish that they have is absolutely beautiful. It's not nearly like how their pressed glitters used to be, where they would be like chunky and just kind of like gel-like almost, and like the glitter would fall out. This is like such a beautiful, cool eyeshadow finish. The pearlescent glitter, I don't even know, I don't even realize if this formula has been in other palettes or if this is like a new formula. I don't know, but this shadow specifically, the green one, is truly absolutely insane. And I would say to get this palette literally for this shade alone, but also the pink and this icy pack, this shade up here, they're all that pearlescent glitter finish and it is beautiful. This is such a good holiday palette. This for a holiday party, this all over the eye, wow, wow, wow. Yes, hands down. I feel like I haven't been like, you need this palette in a really long time. You need this palette. It is absolutely stunning. Everything is so vibrant and bold and pigmented. The green is absolutely insane. That glitter shadow is beautiful. That inner corner shade, stunning. I'm obsessed. I truly say if you're going to pick up anything in the collection, and I mean anything, the palette. And I feel like I have not said that in a very, very long time. So 10 out of 10 for the palette. I love this. Oh, the Super Shock shadows, I realized I didn't use any in the tutorial. However, they're all very beautiful. I would definitely say the one that I don't really care for that much is the Waka Waka shade. I mean, it's pretty, but I definitely have other shadows that are this like kind of bronzy gold shade, although it's very pretty, very beautiful for holiday look as well. But the three I would say to pick up if you're going to pick up any would be Holiday Hostess, Beat Drums, and Yay. It is the Kermit, Miss Piggy, and Animal one. You guys know I love green, red, and pink eyeshadow, so all three of these are right up my alley. Super cute. These would be amazing little stocking stuffers. I love that they have the characters on the packaging and also on the actual product itself, so it's not just like the box. Adorable. Love these. Very cute. You can never go wrong with Super Shock shadows. Glitterally Obsessed is so pretty. I have a little bit of in the inner corner and it looks so beautiful when the light hits it. Again, packaging is so cute. I love Miss Piggy on it. And other Glitterally Obsessed that are kind of similar. Yes, I feel like they all kind of look the same when they're on the eyes. But if you're like, you like the Muppets and you like this color, you don't have any, or maybe some of the ones you have are old and you want to pick up a new one, this one is really pretty. I don't think you'll be disappointed with it. All of the glowing lips are very nice. This one that I have on, which was Warm Up Guy, is such a good nude lip color. These are all super hydrating. They feel great on the lips. Everybody is kind of gravitating towards more of those like creamy lipsticks and stuff like that, but I also really like this red shade. It's really pretty. The packaging on all of these are really cute. Again, lip products, I don't think they're like necessary, but I do think this nude lip right here is a must. But the other ones, I'm like, it's okay. If you don't have a lip liner to go with it, I definitely would recommend BFF2. If you're a little bit deeper, BFF3 would look amazing with this. But this right here is kind of a superior like lip combo. I'm obsessed. I think it looks so good. That is everything in the collection. Again, very pleasantly surprised. I was not expecting to like this collection as much as I did, but I think it is a smash. I absolutely love it. Like I said, if you're gonna pick up anything in the collection, pick up the palette and maybe a couple of the Super Shock shadows. The palette is a must. Absolutely stunning. I'm so blown away with the palette. This is such a cute holiday collection. Like I love that everything has like the little like presents and the Santa hats on it. Again, really good Christmas gifts if you know, we have Christmas already right around the corner, which is crazy to say. And like I said, I think all of these would be really cute stocking stuffers. Anyways, let me know in the comments down below what your guys' thoughts on this collection are. Are you guys gonna pick anything up? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.